Stop scrolling, because today, we're turning basic fish into next-level delicious. Fish fire. If you think cooking fish is boring, smells weird, or always turns dry, trust me, you've been doing it wrong. Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook fish the easy way, with bold flavor, crispy edges, juicy inside, and zero stress. Whether you're a beginner or just tired of bland meals, this method will make you feel like a kitchen boss. Let's get cooking. Alright, let's get straight into it. First things first, choose the right fish. You don't need anything fancy. Tilapia, cod, salmon, or snapper all work great. Fresh is best, but frozen is totally fine too, just make sure it's fully thawed. Pat that fish dry with a paper towel. This step is huge. Wet fish won't get crispy, and crispy is the goal. Now let's talk seasoning. Keep it simple but powerful. Grab some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Sprinkle both sides like you mean it. Don't be shy, fish love seasoning. If you want to level up, add a squeeze of lemon or a little chili powder for heat. Boom! Flavor locked in. Next, heat your pan. Turn the stove to medium-high and let the pan get hot. Add a tablespoon of oil, olive oil or vegetable oil works fine. When the oil starts shimmering, you're ready. If it's not hot, the fish will stick and tear. Nobody wants that mess. Now gently lay the fish in the pan, away from you. You should hear that sizzle, that's the sound of success. Headphone fire, don't touch it. Seriously. Let it cook. Moving it too early is the fastest way to ruin it. Cook the fish for about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. You'll see the edges turning golden and the fish changing color. That's your sign. Flip it carefully using a spatula. If it sticks, give it another 30 seconds, it'll release on its own. Once flipped, cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Fish cooks fast, so don't walk away. Overcooked fish is dry, sad, and disappointing. You want it flaky and juicy, not tough. Now here's the secret move, finish with butter and lemon. Drop a small knob of butter into the pan, squeeze some fresh lemon juice, and spoon that buttery goodness over the fish. This step takes the flavor from good to chef level real quick. Turn off the heat and let the fish rest for 1 minute. Yeah, even fish needs a break. This keeps it juicy and perfect. And that's it. Serve it with rice, veggies, salad, or just eat it straight off the plate, no judgment. Grinning face with smiling eyes, you've got crispy edges, tender inside, and restaurant-quality flavor at home. So if this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy cooking wins, and remember, good food doesn't have to be complicated. See you in the next one. Oncoming fist fire.